27th, 2025, a McKinley County officer in New Mexico conducts a traffic stop after a driver goes the wrong way on a one-way street and hops a curb, popping both passenger side tires. What the officer doesn't know is the driver is a fellow New Mexico State Police officer.
2543, you come to my 20. You roll down the window. Can you roll it down?
What's up?
You're going the wrong way on 2nd Street, and then you also hit a curb and popped both your tires on the side. How much alcohol have you had tonight?
Nothing.
So why are you slurring?
I'm not slurring.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Just because you said I slurred, there's no reason.
So you're...
What you think she drunk? She probably drank some whiskey, some vodka. I don't know. That bitch cooking.
Refusing to get out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. 201 refusing to get out of the vehicle, slurring her words. Smell alcohol coming from inside the vehicle as well.
2 inches.
201 just rolled up all the windows, refusing to get out. Doors are locked. I need you to step out of the vehicle. I need you to step out of the car. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I've already explained that to you. Step out of the vehicle. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. If you don't step out of the vehicle, we will break your window. We'll remove you from the vehicle. It's your choice. Step out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. So be advised, driver's going to be off-duty NMSP officer. Step out of the vehicle.
Fuck on, baby girl. And it's cold as hell in my room. Like, I'm fucking freezing.
Step out of the vehicle.
The officer shows her sergeant's contact in her phone, signaling she's going to call him. It's unclear what she thinks the sergeant will do in this situation. Nevertheless, she's about to attempt to drag him into this mess.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window. I don't care who you're calling. Step out of the car and we'll break the window. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window. I don't care who you're calling. Step out of the car and we'll break the window. Step out of the car. Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I will break the window. Hold on. Wait for the other guys to get here. State Police Hall. She's 47. Step out of the vehicle. We're going to break the window. This is your last warning. This is your last warning or we will break the window. Go ahead. Go, break it, break it. I'm watching her hands.
The sergeant not gonna see you, bitch. Why she calling for a sergeant? You drunk and you just fucking drove your car and popped 2 tires on the passenger side. You going for your sergeant? You can't run from that. There's no escaping that. He's not gonna save you. I don't know what the fuck she's talking about. Some Sarge. What he be saying? What's the one I be saying? Say no.
Step out! Step out! Step out! Sarge! 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 Sarge!
What's wrong with this bitch?
Roll over that. Sit up. Sit up. Here, just roll this way, okay?
Yeah.
Sit up. Let's go put her in my unit.
Did you glass on you in your mouth, anything like that?
Yep.
You did? Okay, we'll get
Yep.
it for you.
Come on.
Ready?
Passenger side. Passenger side.
Wait, if I won't get in the car until my sergeant gets here.
And we're not waiting for you, Sergeant. You're under arrest. Get in the car. Come on.
To my son, dude. You dumbass out here,
Turn
bitch.
to your unit, buddy.
On the car. Not no choice.
Now you can transport for me.
Have a seat. You know how this works?
Watch your legs. So I don't kick you.
Think it's good, Mom. You think it's good?
Dude, she came off of 2nd Street the wrong way, came towards me this way. So I was westbound 66, and I seen her vehicle come out of 2nd Street the wrong way. She came eastbound 66. The light was red. She went around the car. The light turned green. She sped up, hit the sidewalk, the curb, jumped the curb high as hell, popped both her right tires. I lit her up. She pulled in right here. She wouldn't open this window. She's like, go to the passenger side. So I went to the passenger side. She rolled it down about that much. And you could smell the alcohol. Seen it was her. So I called for you. Came to the driver's side window. She started calling Roman from the state police. She starts yelling, screaming, I'm not getting out. I ain't getting out. I ain't getting out. So I get out of the car. We're going to break the window. She locked all the doors. And then we broke the window. She wouldn't get out. So we drug her out, put her in cuffs. And you could smell the alcohol in her breath bad. State police knows. Her sergeant's on the phone right there. Is it Roman? Yep. I'll call Roman. She showed me the phone like that. It's Sergeant Roman. Dude, when you were breaking the window, I was watching her hands because she's an officer. I don't know what she's got. So I'm watching her hands. I see the fucking glass hit me in the face, and I'm like.
So are you trying to resist?
Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Compliant Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test. Do you agree to take our test, yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs?
Do you agree to take our test, yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs or no?
I did not.
Okay.
Do you agree to take
Based
our
on
test?
what? Based on what?
Do you agree to take our
Based
test,
on
yes or
what?
no? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement in New Mexico law that you take a breath test. Do you now agree to be tested, yes or no?
Can you get state police here?
No. Do you now agree to be tested, yes or no?
Can you get state police here? Yes
No,
or
I cannot. No.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so based on that,
Do you now agree to be tested, yes or no? I consider your actions a refusal to be tested. You're under arrest for aggravated DWI. She refused to answer me. Taking it as a refusal. Log me 11015, aggravated DWI. I'm going to go off now. Now that she's in the unit 15 and I read her.
Are you driving way less than you used to? Do you have a clean driving record? Are you over 25? Do you not have a DUI? Then you're likely paying too much for car insurance, and you can drop it to as low as $38 per month. I wish that I had done this sooner. I saved over $600 off my yearly car insurance rate. How? It's super easy. All you need to do is go to everquote.com. It compares hundreds of insurance companies to find you the best rate. That's it. Just enter your zip code, some basic car and driving information, and you'll be on your way to
New Mexico State Police Officer Rachel Hall had served for 4 years and 8 months at the time of her arrest. A partially empty bottle of vodka was found under her seat, and she later declined to take a breathalyzer test. She was charged with aggravated driving while under the influence of alcohol, consuming and/or possession of an alcoholic beverage in an open container in a motor vehicle, 3 counts of resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer, failure to maintain a traffic lane, and driving on the wrong side of a road. Immediately following her arrest, Hall was placed on administrative leave. Before the internal investigation concluded, she chose to resign. New Mexico State Police Chief Troy Weisler expressed deep disappointment, stating that Hall's actions were a breach of public trust and did not reflect the values of the department. Hall's arrest occurred amid a larger DWI scandal, in which federal investigations allege that some officers in New Mexico conspired with a defense attorney to dismiss DWI cases in exchange for bribes. This has led to several arrests and resignations in the law enforcement community. Hall's case seems to be an isolated incident that is not linked to this scandal, and she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Question, have you ever heard of the phrase, the cover-up is worse than the crime? Well, what if people like lawyers and cops aren't just covering things up, but they're also trying to catch...
Yes.
Officers with the Tampa Police Department responded to a chaotic scene at a local apartment complex after a group of women agreed to